欢迎大家
来看我们的食物评论，耶！
In New York, I merely rock. Hiding in my socks. Running from a up. And I shoot that up. And I'm on the block. And I'm on the block. In New York, I merely rock. Hiding in my socks. Hiding in my socks. Selling every rock.
我们为什么想讲学校的午餐？每天很多人会吃学校的午饭，因为我们不用付钱。学校的午饭让我们休息，也让我们高兴。我们的学校有很难的课，很多的学生会很累。午餐的时候让我们有时间休息，所以学校的午饭对我们很重要。如果我们的午饭不好，我们就不会高兴，没办法好好的学习。如果我们的午餐很好吃，我们都会很高兴，会帮我们加油加油。
什么时候可以吃午饭？星期一、星期二和星期五的日程一样，可是星期三和星期四不同。星期一12点20分吃午饭，4堂课以后吃。星期三差不多1点钟吃。星期四12点9分吃。你们有半个钟头吃午餐。连上课时间变，你还会有半个钟头吃午餐。只有半天课的时候没有午餐。午餐完了以后，你有6分钟吃下一堂课。很多学校俱乐部在吃午餐的时候有会议，是你没有很多时间吃那午餐。吃完午餐以后可以去图书馆学习。
你在那儿拿午餐，学校有4个地方可以去排队，在餐厅里面可以排队，餐厅外面也可以排队，入口在乐队房的旁边，可以在行政办公室的旁边排队，这儿也有一个白色的帐篷，也可以在图书馆的前面排队。这个排队常常会有沙拉和三文治，每个地方有不同的食物。排队以后，有人给你食物，拿食物以后，也要拿一些水果跟蔬菜。如果你在图书馆旁边排队，这个排队有不同的午饭，没有人在那儿给你食物，你要选你自己要的食物。他们常常会有三明治或者沙拉，你要知道你的学生证号，因为你拿食物以后要给午餐工人你的号码。如果你忘了在机器区里打你的号码，你就不可以拿饭。
在哪儿可以吃午饭？学校新增说，学生可以在校舍外面或者放火道吃饭。可是很多人在校舍里吃饭，老师们不理他们。如果天气下雨或者很热，学校新增会说学生可以禁止吃饭，校舍会有很多人。如果你跟一个老师是好朋友，你可以在他们的教室里面吃你的午饭，你也可以跟他们说话，有空调和有暖气，就很舒服。
你们一定要记得把垃圾放在垃圾桶里面。如果学校很不干净，打扫环境的人会很生气，你帮他们整理学校很重要。
I like school lunch is pretty good, especially since it's free. Can't complain.
And school food, it's not that bad. It's gotten better. I love the best food now.
I feel like it's pretty good for being free. I think it's free, so it's like it's okay because it's free, but this thing's like mushy.
I mean, yeah, it's free, so
And it's
pretty good.
I think school lunch this year is very good. It definitely improved a lot over the years, and I think the portions are really small, but they still taste really good.
To eat is probably the chicken wings.
Chicken wings?
Favorite thing, okay, gotta be the tacos.
My favorite thing is like the sandwich. It's like, I think it has turkey. Teriyaki chicken with rice. I think it's pretty good. Or the
chicken Alfredo is pretty good. Yogurt parfait is also really good. Yeah.
I think my favorite thing right now is probably it's like the chicken and the rice. It's like Spanish rice, and it's like a chicken that is like grilled. It's really good.
I think in freshman year we had like a lot more like refrigerated, like frozen things. But, like nowadays they make a lot more things themselves.
stuff. That was like more like European food, but now there's more stuff that's like other cultures. Freshman year they had fried rice.
Really?
Yeah, they had fried rice.
They got rid of the bad stuff, like, and then like
Got
made
rid
it a
of
little
good
bit better.
stuff too.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Thanks lunch drastically improved because it was kind of bad because it was like served in like brown bags and it was like really terrible sandwiches. But like now it's actually really good and it's like quality. So yeah.
Hello, today we have Stefan, Miss Curry. She works as a lunch lady, and thank you so much for agreeing to our interview. For our first question, we'd like to ask, how long does it take every day to prepare the school lunch?
About 6 hours.
About 6 hours?
Yeah.
How does the school provide free lunches for all its students?
Well, the school year 2022-2023, the California law AB 130 was passed by Governor Newsom, where it created a program for universal meals. So the majority of the funding comes from the state, and then the federal picks up the rest, a percentage.
And what does the school usually do with the leftover food?
Unfortunately, it's discarded at the end of the day, but we're working on different nonprofit organizations to be able to pick up the leftovers.
And finally, do you have any advice for the incoming freshmen next year?
In regards to the lunch program, I would just say take your time to explore the various options on the menu. It's available online on the district website or the school website. And yeah, each station, the cafe has scratch foods. Stationery has self-serve items such as sandwiches, yogurt parfaits, also hot food as well. And then the mobile station also provides ready-to-eat foods that's outside.
All right, thank you so much.
今天是星期一，不错，
好吃吗？
很好吃，也有苹果。
你给多少分
8分。我们也有鸡肉
放在酱里面
啊，
也给你酱啊。好吃吗？
我觉得不错。
你给多少分？
我觉得这个鸡肉这个好一点，所以我给这个8分。
哦，8分。他们也给你沙拉跟很多的酱跟面包。
大家好，今天我是星期二，我们今天的饭很好吃。
大哥，
今天是我们的墨西哥，不是墨西哥卷，这是叫 taco。你看，里面有牛肉，里面有牛肉菜，还有很多酸辣的酱，还有一些苹果。来，现在我们吃一口。
Cutting that out. OK。给我们个评论吧。几分？
这个 taco 很硬邦，但是很脆，这家特别香，再加上那个酸辣酱在里面，我给它10分里，我给它个很高分，9.2。9.2。好，谢谢大家。大家好，今天是星期三，我们有薯片和 cheese。很香啊！哇！今天刚考完我的 AP test。好。
哇，不错，我拿7.5分。
你好，这是冯厨药。对不起，我们星期四吃午餐的时候都忙了，没有时间录音星期四的午餐。可是我们都同意，星期四最好吃的午餐是秘鲁鸡肉配西班牙米饭。好，你们现在要看。
哎，大家好，今天是星期五，我叫王东岳。我们今天有cheese汉堡，然后有点番茄酱，然后有一点酸辣酱，请把它放一下。
OK。
So I can't even open the packet, but that's okay because I have no nails.
No English, no English。
哦，我
快吃吧。
我手指甲没有了。
比分。
我手指甲。
快点，咬一口。
好，现在我吃了。
几分
7.5，还可以吧，很普通。
7.5。
但是很好吃，很软。
OK。
很好。
高中有很多机会认识新的同学和参加好玩的活动。我们希望你高中愉快，不要太痛苦。祝你们好运！
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the weird ass jewelry, I'ma take 10 steps, then I'm taking off top 5. Take off the fabricate streams and the microwave memes, it's a real world.